log into your account. If you're new, signing up is quick and painless. Once you're in, this is how the dashboard looks. Step 2, fill in the form fast. In the next step, enter the tax year and select the 1099-K form from the list. And relevant business details like recipient information, the total transaction amount, number of payments made, and other relevant info displayed on the screen. And then click Next. Step 3, choose your filing flavor. Now this is where you get to customize your filing experience. Tax 1099 offers features like sending forms via USPS mail, secure e-delivery, TIN matching to ensure accuracy, and even state filing options if needed. Pick the features that work best for you and you're almost there. Now you can wrap up, submit, and breathe easy. Once you've selected your filing preferences, simply click Submit, and that's it. Tax 1099 takes care of the rest.